This is a 5-year US Entry Waiver that we successfully secured for one of our clients on their very first attempt. 5 years is the maximum time you can get for a US Entry Waiver. This is a big win for our client. What's the secret behind the successful outcome? In this video, I'm going to cover our law firm strategy, so insider tips that will significantly enhance your chances of getting your waiver approved and hopefully get the longest time period possible. I'm Joffe, US Entry Waiver Lawyer. If you need help with your waiver, reach out to schedule a free confidential call with me. Let's get started. To understand our law firm strategy to maximize your chances of success, it's important to understand what aspects of the US Entry Waiver process that are in your control and those that are not. A key factor that you can't control is the criteria used by the ARO, which is the Admissibility Review Office, when assessing your waiver application. Understanding this criteria and how the ARO interprets them is critical to crafting a waiver application that maximizes your likelihood of success. The ARO's decision-making is influenced by a legal case known as the Matter of Karenka, established in 1978. Using this case, the ARO will evaluate your application on 3 factors. First is the seriousness of the inadmissibility cause. This means how severe was the criminality that led to your inadmissibility. Second is the risk to society. In other words, what potential risk might you pose if they let you visit the United States? And third, the purpose for entering the United States. This simply means, why do you want to enter the United States? Is it for work, for leisure purposes, or both? Now, the ARO will also consider other factors when evaluating your application. These factors include the nature of your offense, the circumstances that led to it, how recently it occurred, whether it was an isolated incident or part of a pattern of misconduct, and critically, what is the evidence of your reformation or rehabilitation? The secret to success is this. It's how you present your story. While you cannot change the facts of your past offenses, you can control how they're framed and presented. By tailoring your application to address the ARO's criteria and resonate with their concerns, you will greatly improve the chances of getting your waiver approved. Here are 3 things you can do. 1, write a strong personal statement. You need to write a letter addressing the ARO's criteria, highlighting your personal growth, responsibility, and reasons for entering the United States. It's important to showcase your understanding, your remorse, and your rehabilitation, turning past mistakes into a compelling case for approval. 2, get compelling reference letters. Get reference letters from credible people who can talk about your good character. Each reference should reinforce your narrative of transformation and responsible behavior. And 3rd, provide strong supporting materials. For example, include documents like rehabilitation certificates, community service records, and recognition awards that demonstrate your positive contributions and rehabilitation efforts. If you focus carefully on preparing these components of your waiver application, you will significantly improve your chances of getting your waiver approved. Securing a US Entry Waiver is an achievable goal with the right legal strategy. I can help you navigate the complex application process and maximize your chances of success. Schedule a free confidential consultation with me using the link below. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit.